put out and change the narrative. Not set the narrative out of the way. Yes, you're going to talk about it now. But after a while, we don't talk about that whatever, explain to the people like, all the thing or whatever. Because foolishness, they even cry for that come with. You know, we all know that.
Good morning.
Yes, man. Yeah, because the past show things out there.
Mark Bolin come with him slave mentality. He's just telling Jamaican people that they belong to live in the swamp. That's where they're supposed to live in swamp.
Hold on, the spirit.
GGK, give GGK a talk.
Good morning.
Anna next.
For me, I don't listen to people who doesn't have a seat in parliament, right? I don't listen to them because they don't have a seat there, right? And they're making decision and they can't even win a seat to go sit in parliament. Next thing, they don't want the bus. So when the kids that are living miles and other parishes take the extra lesson, who's gonna bring them home? Do they ever think about those?
Listen, they don't think before they talk.
You have kids that goes to school in 2 parishes, have to go through 2 parishes to go to school. By the time they get home, some of them is 9 o'clock. It's time for them to go to bed. They even miss their meal because meal time is 6 o'clock, right? And they have to go in and study and do their homework. Their man Crawford doesn't even have a seat in the parliament, so I don't even...
Not only that, GG, the taxi man them, when it touch certain hours, them not care schoolers.
Okay, that's the point I was gonna hit on. So if they're fighting the bus, who's gonna bring home the kids? They're fighting the bus, and they want extra hours. Who's gonna bring home the kids? That's why that sound sensible.
GGK, even at the parliament, but even at the upper house. Even though
yes, true, yes.
Even at the Senate, you still go to the chatting foolishness.
Yeah, even at the upper house. But guys, look how we are. Enough time we hear about our children going missing. And all of that, they're being abused. We don't want we picnic out a road certain hours. We want them go to school early and come back home early and safe transportation. And Damien want them to come home 8 o'clock at night time. Then if
I have family member that feel the hands of a taxi driver.
Left the job.
I have family member that feel the hands of a taxi driver. You understand? And all her hopes was gone that she will never bear a child. So I'm not that for me, it just make me have this. I don't hate them because when you say they hate them, it's like you're worse than them, right? But the feelings for them is like I don't even want to see my family members that call themselves PNP. I don't even want to speak to them when I come to Jamaica.
We're not
gonna have nothing to do.
We're not gonna have a person like One Snacks that come up a while ago, or One Snack, I don't sure what him name. I'm say him never vote PNP, but him a lean PNP. What is he saying?
This church I lie but tell man. This church
exactly.
that man.
He's just because you want to tell me that you want to tell me that
them you there right but let me tell you, see so where come from now how them come from, so them are giving this up.
But
I say, hold on spirit, I say. If you look where them attack, him not really know how to go and still. That's it. That's if we just attack and him listen and him try to change it. He don't know how to go on.
Maybe you need to come on the platforms and learn and listen and stop listening to PNP propaganda.
That's why I'm glad I want to take him off. If you're not listening and attack, it doesn't make sense. You see me?
You must go learn, read, watch Parliament, read JIS News, listen to We don't speak propaganda. We don't sell doom and gloom. We speak the prosperity message, hope. We're more speak, you know, the Bible speak about prosperity and hope and all of that. We don't doom and gloom like PNP and the lies. We not lie to people. We don't need to lie to people.
So sis, I may try to explain to Christopher. So here I go on now, Christopher. You see, the whole of the PNP incumbent, them we have a run against our party. I'm gonna tell you with them have you see them have one script for them work off. So when them keep meetings, the whole of them sit down and tell the people and they said set a lie. So all of them people them head mix up the one bag of foolish night. You see me I say if you don't see it, them give the whole of them a script for work.
No, that's why.
Let me say something. Them people them
hold on. That's why we say so PNP are indoctrinated. That's what they said for ever since.
Exactly.
Let me say something. Let me make Sonny.
Hold on there, Christopher, because Anna coming
No,
out back
I just
and
want-
she
I
has
just want
said
thing
many
I said.
things. 1 minute,
I just want
Christopher.
thing
1
I said.
minute, Christopher. Allow Anna to open her mic and say what she has to say because she has been waiting a long time. Go ahead, Anna.
Yeah, for real. That's run hard. For real. That's it for go.
Hold on. Could you mute? Because what I'm gonna say is important. No, as a teacher, when the students come to us in the mornings, I am not in the public sector anymore. I am privately employed in a different school. But when I was at the public sector, not very long ago, children would come to us and they are sweating already because they have to walk so far. So when they get to school, they are basically falling asleep because they get up early. Remember, they have a little chores to do when they get to school. They're tired. You can't learn when you're tired. You can't learn when you're tired. So I believe that this comes in just in time for the students to get a little, what they call relief. And the teachers will be able to work with them better. Now, when you're gonna tell me, as a teacher in a public school, that I should come, somebody and do something. I should come and give 2 more hours of the day. So I would get to work at 8 o'clock and I would leave at 5 o'clock. What about the teachers who have young children? What about the teachers who study in the evenings? What about the teachers who don't really live very near to school and have to take 2 and 3 transportation to get home? I would like to know how they are going to work it out. And the gentleman who was up here, that Sonny had to take him off the live, I'm sorry. When they bring that level of negative energy here, me not go put up with it. Because what he's saying is baseless. You need to come with something that makes sense. Me or the JLP, me no JLP. That has nothing to do with the current issue that we are talking about. No.
True.
I am talking about what is happening right right now.
True. This
Are
are the
you
current.
going to tell me, me not think it gonna work? Let it be all right. Me not think it tastes good. You're gonna give me something to eat. And me say, me not think it tastes good. How am I going to know if it tastes good if me not taste it?
True, yeah, talk.
Me not think it tastes good. You
I
cannot
would
think that something
have done their mind before even
that is
taste
cognitive
it.
dissonance. Let me see how it. You know, say not one of them don't say let me see how it work. Not one of them don't say make me see how it work first before me criticize it. Everybody jump up. Everybody jump up. It not gonna work.
No, but here I say moment again too. That's one thing. If Mark Golden never raise issue and go talk about school bus or all bus, nobody will have nothing. I say, I just see Dr. PNP, they are chat out them out now. I think if you talk about them, no,
Exactly, DJ Chromas. Because they do have a mind of their own to think.
If me see Andrew come in over 110 bus, because they don't 110 bus in could buy. When me come in, me go buy 350.
Exactly. But may I say, these PMP, the followers, they don't have a mind of their own to,
That
if
is
they
why
feel opposition or criticize something as good as the school bus, why can't you have a mind of your own to think and say, this is going to help children, they're going to be safer, we will be able to track them, it will be a system where we'll get children to school on time, they won't be sweaty, they will be more relaxed, their mind will be relaxed, they will get more time to do their homework, because the struggle of taking public transportation can be tedious on the children. You understand the hustle in the crowd and all of that. You have to have a mind of your own to think. It's like you're following peer pressure when you follow the opposition. You have a mind, you can think and say, oh, this is not good, what you're saying about the school buses.
Yeah, this followers, them are all idiot, them are cultists. You know, never come say nothing about the bus them. Nobody have nothing to say about the bus them. I tell you that. Nobody at all now nothing about the bus on the PNP side.
Then
None of
if
them.
they are opposing, come with a plan. They have no manifesto. This is the 26th of July. There is still no manifesto coming from the opposition party. Let me see what your manifesto is. Speak your manifesto clearly from the platform. Give me a
Miss
breakdown of what
Miss
you're
Anna,
going to
want to stick up in Miss Anna. You know, here, my name, I spread back a man say, him put out the manifesto to the Portland people because them, if them can't read it and understand it, them know that thing to like.
You
So
you are
He said that? He is just an inflated, gloated,
oh my God.
ex-prisoner. To me, that is what he is. He's an inflated, gloated prisoner, ex-prisoner, former prisoner. That's all he is. He could have washed that the piece of old sinting the paper when they call you, and he could have cleaned 1 million times.
Philippe, I never know say it for true. Him say it for true, man.
I didn't know he said that.
That's an insult.
When he said,
But you know,
a liar.
when he said that the
calling us
people,
monkey and all of that.
when he said that the people in Portland don't have the capacity to reason out his manifesto,
Yes.
Then make it
he
simpler.
you know how much doctor
Simplify
comes
it.
from over here?
Voila, Chad, simplify it. Simplify it without the bag of legal terms. Simplify it so that the Jamaican people can understand it.
You must say, well, like East Portland are done, so they can't reason. Not know what I say. They can't make sense. So when he come with him we call it highfalutin manifesto.
Guys do need to get to 25,000.
They're not gonna know. Pretty much, he must say Portland is not gonna know them until it gone through. That he must say. He must say people in Portland done.
True, that him say.
Someone know if Brian Sykes not come from Upper East and I'm a Chief Justice, so if he done, so I'm a Chief Justice. Michael Leachin come from Upper East. Or him own NCB.
The richest man, the richest Jamaican man, nothing.
Yes, and who else again? We have some doctors. Dr. Brown. So many persons.
You have doctors, you have lawyers, teachers. Lots of teachers with their masters and their PhD.
If I tell you the majority of the deal,
who's
if I tell you say, all other people, if I tell you say, those are just few individuals. If I tell you the majority of the people,
I don't care because Eagles can read and write. Let me go to the people. Eagles can read and write. People who have them corner shop can read and write.
Of course.
People who sweep the street can read and write. He's trying to insult people. You don't have to be a doctor to be able to read and write. Right?
But look about a lot of teachers who stop work and went to do farming. Those and went to do farming and they work and go to the market during the weekends. Are they done too? And they're teaching our kids.
Remember the time when he called us monkey when during monkeypox?
You can't get a chance to say something.
Yes, Christopher, go ahead.
Sonny, your virgin will come up a while ago and say, you must support. May I tell you this, Sonny? Let me tell you straight. You have 4 kids, and any one of them are running a PNP party, and I love them dearly. And vote for them as long as them are run on the PNP ticket, I vote against Jamaica. So when him come say him virgin and run and him go support him virgin, I mean say I vote against Jamaica. Is it?
So it's a bridging thing then, Christopher.
Yeah, no matter
how
how
the policy, you have vote for bridging.
You have 4 children and any one of them are run on the PNP ticket. I love them dearly, but me now go support them. Like me support them, that means say me I vote against Jamaica. And the next thing me hear these people every time they come up and say something can't work. Oh, my go say I go build a house in a swampland. I mean I hear nobody come out and a dip and say can't work. But every day they come up on the bus in a work.
Look here. Over the years, Jamaica has been more lenient with PNP and them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Everything Jamaica, them call like say them PNP feel like they're entitled to Jamaica.
To Jamaica. All right. Yes, Sonny. Anyone of my people them take up a ticket with PNP, may I tell you 4 of them. Me now go support them. Can I support them? I go vote against Jamaica.
There is something I want.
Me not do that.
There is something I want to see happening in the campaigns for JLP or JLP campaign. You see, like those statement, the statement that Buchanan made. It should be recorded or taped if possibly and play at the campaigns on big screen. Because what we don't understand, like even here in America, when they are running elections, the politicians have to know what they are saying because they are being recorded and they have been like when they are having campaign, they have been all over.
We do it at Toma. We do it at Virgin. We do it at Jamaica Toma.
I'm all on the spirit.
Yeah.
I say something to you. I make Gigi get attack. I share with my mic. All right. I'm glad my sister Philippine there. You know, say me and Philippine then we come up with the idea. We get all the bus better. Because we still we did want to like town hall meetings. We as the vloggers them going all of the town square them. And things like all that now we break it down. We break down the school bus system to people. You see me? Most of these things we just go in at the town and we shout it out. We make people hear. I like what Ice-Prat said, the people them don't have the capacity to read and understand his manifesto.
Right.
So you have to go to show it down upon them. Them things like them may have Philippine them not plan for the boat. May I tell you something? I'm just hope the people them and I say this on the live. I hope all they on the phone and work. I hope when election time come or when the time come, when they come out to work. I tell you, most of the people them dip on the phone and say, yeah, but when the time come, so that's why me and Philippine them will not even say nothing about it because we say it and we have it locked. We have all the bus, but we don't hear nobody else say. So we alone can push the narrative, brother. You see me Ashwana? And things like them here need to be done. Things like them here need to be done because as me tell you now, the PMP them have a script where them give all of them candidates. And them candidates keep on going around and
exactly
and spreading all of these propagandas and lies to the people. Because this youth come, him said the school bus system can work. I wonder if him take up him phone and calculate Mark Golding, Probox, and Air Wagon proposal. I wonder if him do that spirit and see which one of them can work.
Exactly.
I wonder if one of them person who said the school bus system can work or it was this or what. I wonder if them take out them phone and go to woman and say $2,500 to 20,000 family. I wonder if they ever try that yet. And
look
which one of them is sick and not feasible, from which one of them make more sense.
There's a lot of people in Jamaica, and we have to understand this. There's a lot of people in Jamaica that doesn't interested to read for themselves, research for themselves, nor nothing. You understand? But as them hear something, they act to it. And hear them hear. That's why a lot of them get in a trouble. You understand? Because them don't know the truth. And them based on what them hear. We have to understand that those are the people that PNP are reaching out to.
Exactly. Because where did you hear this? Is it true? Is it true? You know the four agreement. You should read it, right?
Exactly.
Before you repeat something, is it true? Where you get it? Does credibility mean anything to you? What about your integrity? Because if you're going to say something that's not true, it will destroy your integrity, your credibility as well.
Exactly, because it doesn't take a blind to see, if you should go on one of their platform, and I'm telling them the truth, they are, if they are saying something to you and you go on their platform and said, what you just said, I need proof. They can't show you the proof.
Hold on a minute. User. I'm gonna say this to you. Good. You see the youth them in Kingston. Remember that you have the urban transit. And that's why you have more and more JUTC are coming in. So the youth them in Kingston, them have more chance to take one of the JUTC them where pass them school. Basically youth them in the rural areas, like in the country areas, and them youth they really suffer for the school bus them, brother. Believe me, just believe that. And we all know that. The urban areas have more transport for the kids then. Rural, and them really need it. Me I tell you that. And that is it. Continue. I'm one Gigi. Open your mic, Miss Gigi. A long time I want to open your
Now
mic.
remember, this is the remember it's the
just
first one.
That's another thing I want to say.
Okay, go ahead, Gigi.
There's a teacher in the box, right?
Yes.
Okay. Does he ever think about the teachers that their relationship got messed up because they don't have time for their family? Does he think about the teachers that their children go through mental stress because their parents spend more time teaching than spend time with them? Does he ever think about those stuff?
I was just saying that, Gigi.
They can't go home. Don't you know much teacher relationship break up because they can't?
Exactly.
Hey, these people.
Because I hear most people is even talking about the teachers' children. They are not talking about us.
Yes, the children. You know, they have to suffer with their parents. Exactly. They have to go through it.
The husband and wife the husband and wife relationship is more even important than the child, because without the husband and wife, the child suffer.
Spirit, I've been to school. I've seen where teachers bringing their children to the school that they're teaching, because they don't got the time to send them to a next school so someone can pick them up. So they carry them to the same school that they are teaching.
But not only that, Gigi. If you notice, teachers, especially in Jamaica, they have to be taking home schoolwork after they do so much hours at school. They have to be taking home schoolwork to do schoolwork at home.
Just imagine you with a teacher and you saw your wife coming home with schoolwork, don't have any time for you. Can't cook your dinner. Just imagine
Exactly. No,
what do you think the relationship is gonna be like?
The one person is gonna go out to get attention.
Okay. They need to think about these people, family too, before you make a decision. The family come first.
Like I said, PNP is just doing a trial and error. What stick is what they're gonna work with, and so far nothing has stick.
And it is not only about the relationships, we're also talking about people's mental health, which sometimes we seem to neglect. We're talking about people's overall well-being, because you need time to rest and recuperate. So your mental health also come into this teaching situation.
Look here.
You cannot do it, so you have to run summer school, you have to do this, you need to get a chill pill, you need
if
to
you're gonna have
guys, I remember, I'm a social worker, and one time I was doing like internship in our school, and I could not manage because that is not for me. So I don't know how the teachers do it. So to spend 2 more hours, well, that is their thing, right? That is their thing. They love teaching, but guys, teaching is not, well, we can't manage the children. Oh my God. It's rough.
It's rough.
It's rough.
And I wonder that they realize the psychology and all of those things that teachers go through with kids. Because especially a teacher who grew up in a one disciplined home, when he or she is indisciplined, and really can't do nothing about it, you know the stress that put on the teacher.
So my time then go and then that we can't get rid of them partner back. Then
That's
can't
what
even
I'm
get
saying.
Sorry.
That's what I'm saying.
I said something. Everyone on the live, me ask for the support card. I really want to go to Portland tomorrow, and I'm gonna know it about. You see me? I'm gonna try to reach there. You see it? So if we can get some support from the people, then we look for support. I'm going to stream at Portland tomorrow. So in any way, I go.
Tony, you have an account like NCB?
Yeah, man.
Me not no whole heap of money, I just send a small something.
Yeah, we just want,
So just inbox me. Me not have nothing, no big nothing. Just can help out.
Yeah, it goes this man. We always have food in, but it go far away, so we don't want to raise. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So big up and respect to all of the people.
Send me your information, yeah?
Yeah, man. I do that when the time right, man.
All right.
No continue, and people, when I tell them more for thanks to all like patriotic Jamaicans, because as me say, the society have some people who are trick the people and bro, and we can sit down and make them people that trick them we into government, and we as the hardworking taxpayers people, them, and we as the people them who love our kids, them we sit down and say, if we did know, we no come out go vote. I mean, I'm gonna please. You see the set of people them who no pay the most of the tax. You know? You are the guy. You are the set of people. These middle class people, the people them who as Miss Vaz that call them, the good speaking people. You can't do good speaking for stand up and go vote for your right. And they're gonna please go out and vote.
Look here, Sonny Dan. You see, we not have to worry about crowd. I gonna tell you why. You see, most of who have voted for JLP are middle class people. People have them job. We not really have time to go up and campaign, but they are sacrificing a specific day to go vote for Andrew Holness. Remember me telling you that. You hear me tell you?
I want to sleep on a cut.
Housing plan.
Okay, everybody, we are going to watch this video. It's from the Councillor Swaby, Anthony Swaby post. I think it's on his site. I thought it was AI generated, but let us watch what is happening here. Oh, let me come back after that. So are you able to see it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Alright, start over.
Today I'm feeling nice. Today I'm feeling nice. I say today I'm feeling nice. Say, Father, you bless me. Today I'm feeling nice. Today I'm feeling nice. I say today I'm feeling nice. Say, Father, you bless me.
You finish? You mute.
I go man data ribbon that when me son. Make you see them, I only can show me every data ribbon, then for go fit.
Father, you bless me.
It's only 19 seconds long, so I want us to give our feedback. I need to hear what is happening here, so because
I want to see Andrew Holness social housing house. I want to see the apartment them. Show that to me. I want to see that.
I'm gonna pull it up in a minute. Just give me a second.
If I real come that the house and I'm gonna last into terrible.
All right, let me just search that.
The elderly man going at the house. The elderly man don't get in the house.
Well, I know. It's what the people do a same video. They say, like, the door, they panic like I want to get you off.
Oh, that's you.
And then go take
All the plan they look at in retirement.
I know house door that too, man. I church door for you and the house door.
Hold on, the artist send a request. Why you come play a song after full housing program? Picture show. Who want to show them bush ribbon? A Damian data ribbon that man. Artist send a request because why you come play the cut ribbon?
It's called social housing project, right? Okay.
This grace still in the cars watching him not have him not MP my concert. And Christopher, that man there, him DJ Chromas, him not could apply for a social house for that the people for that woman.
Yeah. We don't know him was still, but all the fast body girl just skin up her teeth like a something good.
Okay,
They
I'm
so
ready.
under Desmond Mackenzie program, he could have applied for the indigent program because he's a counselor.
Hold on, dear Philippians. Hold on. Let us look at the house.
Since then, they have been displaced and would have had to seek refuge at the neighbor's home. And I see several members of the community nodding. And you can imagine how uncomfortable this must have been. And the wait has been a little while, almost a year and a half. But you were not waiting in vain. Now you have a brand new structure which will restore your dignity. We estimate that there are about 6,000 households like Estes in Jamaica where the living condition is substandard. That you all here would agree that those 6,000 persons should get something. Right? So that is what you call the social consciousness or the social conscience of the nation. And so what the parliament did through the direction of the policy of the government is to allocate some resources out of the national budget to address this issue of substandard housing using what is called a social housing model. And the social housing model is that we provide a housing solution to the persons in need without requiring the persons to make a financial contribution. However, we do require the beneficiaries to make other forms of contribution to the system. So, for example, we ask the beneficiaries to sign what is called a social contract. And so, what we're going to do today as we hand over the house with Esther is to sign the social contract. What the social contract says is that even though this house is free to Esther, it costs the people of Jamaica. And so Esther must agree, even though it's not her house, to protect your tax dollars that is in this house. So one of the conditions of the social contract is that Esther must maintain this house in the condition or better than she received. You agree with that? Yes. Is that reasonable? Yes. Esther, you agree to do that? So when I pass back here and I thirsty and I want a glass of water, I must say, you know what, pass that house. Right? That means it must continue to be properly painted, the windows are in order, the doors properly hung, and the place is well maintained. You agree? Okay.
Best prime minister ever.
Hold on there.
Yeah, another one there. Higher flooring is gone. Oh, you managed? Well, life and through God. Life and through God. Well, you don't have to worry about it anymore. You and your mom have a safe place when you are yourself and safe. Yes, ma'am.
All right now.
Very small, and you have one little there, another little one there.
Can we get some comments from the everybody?
You know, so some of the houses where the prime minister go to, some of them have furniture in them too. Yeah, some of them get houses who don't have furniture in them too. Yeah, man, I tell you, the best one, the best prime minister, brother. There was not like this in Jamaica before. All of them also PMP used to get out. A food for the poor house, the border house, food for the poor, and none. You see me? So this is not a totally complete game changer for Jamaican poor people. As long as you have a piece of land or whatever, you can afford it. I show say a year and you're good. What?
But
Prime
when
Minister.
you look at the contrast between the two,
Yes,
when
big
you look at the
difference.
contrast between the two, remember, it's an old man getting the house with a ramp, with water
Yes.
on the inside. They can show the inside of the house. Right, Davy said it meets their specific needs.
Yes, man. I running water that your house too.
In a sink, the man can dignify. The thing about it is, we don't understand when it says you must dignify yourself and each one dignify the other. That means if my sister your house one paint and me a two girl and a paint, you give you one for paint your house so that you not feel no way. You understand? That is what they call dignifying each other. And this Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Michael Holness, is trying his best to make people live in dignified conditions.
Yes, that's why I'm still that moment. That's why I said, make sure you keep up the house. I want to don't think you in the contracts.
All he's asking,
all right.
make sure say the paint up, make sure say the water on, make sure say the lights stay on. That's it. That's all you have to do.
Maintain.
The door then up on the window then broke up because of taxpayer money. That's
yes,
it.
Man. Maintenance. Yeah, maintain the standard.
All you have to do is how much time a year you have to paint the house?
But Miss Anne, you never notice them can't never walk through the house and then give it. You know, so they can't never walk through them with the person.
All right, I do stuff.
Looking at the ceiling, it insulated, no sellotape and no.
What I say, even if I give all right for the PNP side now, even if I give for the house, whatever, they couldn't make it look better. I don't even the computer, it not look good like the Prime Minister house. We fix up but it could have look better, man.
DJ, where the bathroom there?
I recommend
the gentleman with a stick. How is he gonna get in the house? I don't see.
It look better, man. They just rush something for us.
Where the bathroom there? Where the bathroom? Where the bathroom for people use?
They can't show you inside no insulated, having no sellotex. I be a zinc.
You don't want to do something quicker for push off for people. Oh man, do something better, man. You look exactly like the Prime Minister. When I said I look exactly at my original levels of the Prime Minister, also the Prime Minister, but do something better for people.
Hold on, give me about 2 minutes, please. About 2 minutes. Artist, play a song make them hear and make after them thing that we Miss Anna show. We want to play a song. Play a song now, artist. Open up your mic. I make them know I go on in Jamaica. Open up your mic, my bad bro, man. We tell him come back.
Let's send you a request to open your mic.
The box, the box, yeah. See the box mic now.
Yeah, the mic is open. You can play the song now.
Oh. So people just find out how it's here. I think he said Northwest Caribbean, so just find out and make them sell the information. Hold on. Hold on, I'm not coming.
Yeah, that me think you have to cut that piece there in your thing, no? In your video.
The phone gone still.
Yeah, me want to point, but I think we are dealing so MP we are calling for, but that's why me yeah man.
You need to cut that piece there, that little video there, we ribbon with them instead of them cut with our ribbon. You know?
Yeah, me I don't want bad. I'm most young picking when I video, you know. Be a young picking, picking them love and joke.
No, when Sonny has a general, they will say do the comparison.
Huh?
No, when the general, no, when Sonny has do the comparison with the two awesome.
Oh! Yeah. Oh, so you want to play the song?
Yes, go ahead.
Bring the bell, knock up back cover. Andrew are the best man, the best boy. In the road, homes provide water. Liberalize penetration to shower. alone, hurt them 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 alone, throw them overboard. And Jonas at the time. Man, what could have done? Win, we are win election. Win, we are win election. Oh, turn them alone, turn them alone, turn them alone, turn them alone, turn them alone. Alright, we have some dub when we do for we have some dub when we do for so MP. You would probably have vote for Labour. You are talking about the baddest vote. The brother used to say what you to seize and motivate, inspire the from Jamaica. Bring the men now come back. Cover here, everybody's one. The big road, dogs provide water, send shower. Roads like a load, Canterbury a load, Paradise a load, South Spring a load, Albion a load, Captain a load, Cornwall a load, Florida a load. Here, I will go through them. Was I go through the one we do already?
Yes, we're loving it.
Manchester fully. We run a youth to stay up due to seize and motivate, inspire, lift from Jamaica. Bring the men, knock up, back cover. Aji got the baddest boat. She give me help with school kids voucher. Labor rights, let me hear a shout to shower. Jobian alone, Huddersfield alone, Malton alone, Cricket alone, Blackcray alone, Shudley alone, Devon alone, Jordan alone, Archie alone. Mr. Win could have done. Win election. Win election. Oh, Dapsy alone, Sammy alone, Tiki Lord, Time from Lord, George Lord, Silent Lord, Nice Lord, Benjamin. Mr. Snowden, the big man, but yeah, Natty sent you for fully leave. We run used to say what due to Caesar, motivate, inspire, live from Jamaica. Ring the bell, knock up, back cover. Slowly but surely, action man, but yeah, give you house, provide water. Labor rights, let me hear the shout of shower. New River Lord, Earthground Lord, Santa Cruz Lord, Rocky Lord, Leeds them a Lord, Brent Savannah Lord, Judges Money through them overboard. Mr. Slowly at the time, the one just could have done. Win election. Win.
Active, brother, your body here. Bad. No joke. People support the artists here. Support the artists. The people them call for Miss Vast still. All like Portland people them say I Miss Vast thing there. So I don't know if you do none for Miss Vast, but everybody has say want to action act.
Yeah, action art, yeah.
That Miss Val's Mr. Val's Portland.
Yeah.
I want go something tomorrow, you know. I want go Portland. Yeah, please, I want go Portland tomorrow. Southeast, St. Elizabeth, Frankenwood. Yeah, most of the MP them no link me up yet. Cause me just get 2 calls from one from when him Northwest Clarendon or something like that. Remember say 2 minutes even know the whole MP them, you know, me just, you know, me don't know the whole of them. So each time me the put my live and as you say the promotion and thing, you have different people like about some different MP, you know.
I'm gonna tell you something, brother.
MP I'll get, man.
I'm gonna show you a thing. And Chrome as I tell you as a DJ. If you ever know how you see the calling where you're calling the lane them or the avenue them where the labor people them come from and them hear it in the song. Let us boot them up in our brother.
Because when we do one thing hero, you know, because hero the first somebody to link me for one dub, you know. And when we do the dub, and we are do it on the for my life and see some people I say, like then I say, oh we not here Moby a town. And then me I say, who on the MP and them tell me, and then see one next girl comment and say, you don't forget phone no owner dub, this a free dub. You don't forget phone no owner dub for Harris Chang or something like that. So the name calling for real, me some girl I say they want to hear for them name, but some of them are some different areas. So the MP never linked me yet. So I hit now, then the panel help us say they want to hear for them name. So I tell them, so what, when the MP lick me up, man, everybody will give for them name in a song, man.
So Jamaican people see my brethren, them like hear them name calling them. You know, say the DJ go up on the stage, killing them and big up certain place and certain ear and name and them thing there.
Yeah, I been notice, Crum. I been notice come here and say, yo,
Want to get to make
we are listening, we can't hear who we name it. So, which area you're from? And I tell me, say, Irish Strong. The girl that say, well, this is a free ear, this is a free ear.
Yeah.
You can't go on the good piece of remix. Can't go on the good piece of ribbon cut remix before we jump.
Oh, back off of this rhythm.
Yeah, the ribbon cut remix I have.
Hold on. Hold on, yeah, man, I was going to remix. Come plan to me have a remix so the people have kill me for remix, you know, I say, I will just do it and do it, you know? Yeah, I say, I will just do it and let me find the rhythm. Me ask me if I really want to remix this time. I never want. Oh, now you doing right? Well, now you read him clearly.
Yeah, but we are here, man. Do your thing, man. We are here, man.
Hold on. Tell me if you not. Let me know if you not you read him.
Yeah, but we are here to read him.
Now you read him, right?
Yeah, man. We just general, man. We are here to read him, man. Do we have to, man? Right?
Yeah, man, we are here, man. You're clear, man.
Oh. Me never want to remix the song, Me never want to remix the song, but Damien Crawford I get out the hand. To congratulate the big man and to Holness and build house pan land. PMP I worry about cutting a ribbon, JLP prosperity.
Yeah, man. That's all good, man. Good thing, man.
That bad. Continue.
Yeah, because the man I mean like me laughing a bit. Yo, but we do this song. I'm glad me do this song for you people, please. Let me do this song for you people. Okay, let's see some no love that song, the part of the song there, you know. Alright, we're going back over this song. Me never want to remix the song, but me never want to remix the song, but Damien Crawford I get out the hand. To congratulate the big man and to Holness and build house pan land. PMP I will be about cutting a ribbon, JLP prosperity. Choose Jamaica, we little island. Mark Golding, Africa, England. Who you are tell about those from Pilan? And to Holness and the really hard man. Bad mind of course, 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 you know no orange clothes.
Yeah, man.
Yo, show up.
Man. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't think so. We're second on the right.
So, you know me why you put in it, say, Mark Golden a plan to put them on sun.
Well, no problem, because
put them on sun land.
I send him to go to the river, I send him to go to the river to put pan swamp land.
You know what tell about them swamp land?
I remember say friend we grew up in them, say the wise man build his house up on rock.
I say me do the remix, because I do a little freestyle for the remix, and I say people going to be
yeah, man.
And to the part of them, I said, Damien Crawford, I get out and I just tap them one day. You see, Jamaican as well, come and say, Jamaican people love hearing name call. They love hearing name call, brother.
Yeah, man.
And I get out and for two, bro. And you can't do in the piece, man, get out and man. I see him say 2 more hours for the thing.
What I say?
Remix.
What I said? Damien Crawford I get all the otherwise known as the goat man.
Like I'm not telling more things. We can't get through any of it.
Yeah. Damien Crawford I get out and otherwise known as the goat man.
as the goat man. You know, say sit there too. As a pop board that give us some good look when you do to you. No, actually, so we do mama. You see how we do mama Dido? You see how we do mama Dido? Cause mama Dido up there, go cut mama Dido, but we kidding them. You forget to that one. Yo, I tell us the song. You see the song? You see that song here? I last night I talked about the power level. I made some people. I said, brother. That song is powerfully. One say the first year, you know. One say the first year, you think a ding dong. You think a ding dong, do you? No. Ding dong. Man say think a ding dong, Billy. Come and say, who build this a bad labor rights song? The man say 2025 labor rights song is a year, brother.
But brother, me I tell us, you know, hear that song there.
But me I hear me no know for you.
Champion fully in a mood. You can't go believe, or you go surprise yourself. Yeah, brother, we are hear the song there ring all about over Jamaica. Remember me tell you that. So that song there rock it. Brother, you say I wanna win. Cause yo, it's not if it's when we win. That song there rock Jamaica, brother.
Yo, you know hit. You know.
Yo, show up.
Yo.
I don't know some things that you can put in it because you see all when me said when me and Damian Crawford say basically appear she go thing in out and they say him say them feel it to him when he go to a
Yo, where's a beer she go thing out?
Aye. And then say feel it to him when he go to a ram.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, but I respect for that, brother, and keep on doing what you're doing and just think of them and get your song all about the places.
Because I think
I was reach out there now. And you see music, brother, music I heard but powerful, brother.
My you for the first time see video. Yeah, something like that's true. That you that.
Yeah.
Yes, man, I love it. For that first time I see that, I say, yo, this bad.
Yo, the woman them, the woman them love the song, brother. You know what the woman them love? The part of where the woman them love. And to hold the side down.
Yeah,
the girl go road go over, or two of them road go over, hear them. And to hold the side down. That's what
no, it's not
later, guys, that's go, you
all right, Philippine.
All right, let's now link you up.
Brother, but now like them love as well Sonny I say that song I go yo translation call.
Remember saying man, all right, come like I tell you this. You see the original song and make it. All right now come like this, revive it back again, even I tell you.
Yeah, then make us a remix up, turn the next song.
Yeah.
Turn back the next song so people want hear the two of them.
Yeah.
That's like that's all they better deal with them.
Yeah, man.
Because everything when they come with them, man. Man.
All right, just imagine. When we are talking about a Labour Party, just a normal party. I just a player. I just drop the first song. I just mix in one of the
and that Mr. to me, you want to select
the place that most of the football Labour than the party there.
Then I tell you. I tell you, say, I want to select the youth and tell me, say, bro,
play original first, you know. Make sure play original first, you know. I'm not expecting to know. It was mixing up.
That. And then do it again, man.
Lord, Clark.
We're not ease them up, bro. See, we're not ease up the government. I don't know what the government do. We're not easing up, brother. Me, one girl text me and tell me, say, yo, me not last time like the song about. And I feel really call with MP name. I said, if MP name no call, it can't nice. This come like Royal Clash name of call.
Come on.
You have to call. You must say, yo, me not call.
Hey, I say,
no.
They are my G keeper, man. There, man. This is all my G keeper. Hold on, them. I say G keeper, and after feel away, me hear up on the live, them, man. And much of the place, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
I mean, that you know.
Oh, you there with the music there.
Yeah.
All right, nice, man. That is nice. Nice to know, man. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Keep up the good work, be out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, man. Good, man. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. Keeper. Yeah, let me see me say about the life them, man. All over script and I much the place, man. Everybody love you, man. I tell you.
Real man.
Yeah, man.
Morning.
I mean, G Keeper star, man, superstar,
Yes,
man.
real.
Yes, man.
You look, I never know Tashi. When me other cousins, I say, yeah, Auntie family. I say, who? I say, nah, the Auntie family life from. I say,
Yes, man. G Keeper, big superstar on the live, man. Oh, everybody, hey, are the best. Everybody love G Keeper.
Real man.
Yes, man. Ask Quitty. We go like you see us more time. I feel laugh and die G Keeper over them more time, man. What's the little PAP never talk, man? G Keeper that, man.
Script love Miss G.
Yeah, man. Man.
I can try. Come, I can try to show some. We have to be a liberate, brother, because see my family them.
Yeah.
See my family, we didn't have to be a liberate, brother.
Yeah, man. G Keeper, man. Lively, man. I tell you, if you're a big man, boy.
Family them, brother.
Yeah, man. Lively, man.
We got plans with the family them, so you know, say. And then one time, a full time, now they run me over, but they can't run me over again. They run the woman so if you go home. Because they might go for a motorcade and this and that. But G Keeper them now, they can't run the home again.
Run away, what? You mad?
Yeah, man, my family, as I tell you now, so my family, my labor, right, brother. My family, my labor. Yes?
The other day, media Jamaica, you know, me as Audrey gone through town, right? Me as a shop post office, and me say, what? And me go for post office and say, go a station. Me go past station, me go past and they say, left. She left. I saw me go down the town, me say, when there? Me go one bar down abroad. Me say, when there? He say, gone down the town, but she quiet. Me say, what? When me say, let her comedy music, me say, turn on that freak. And me, it's when you go through the town, from upper gas station, from start from gas station, it's when me start dance. Labor at the time, Audrey just come a Christian, you know. Labor at them quite. Everybody run out of the bank, they run out of curb, they start run out.
Yeah, we see up on video, we see up on TikTok.
Me say, you say me catch down a market, the Spanish town girl them say, Jesus Christ, a long time we want this. I start now.
Yeah, man, me see up on TikTok, man.
It's when me girl going to the market. And me going and me tell her if you come on me back. She say, oh God, no, me can't. Me say, come on me back, come on me. Let me carry you. I mean, no. And that's why I starting, man. People them say no go back America. Me say, me have go back and come back, man. No worry, no say for this I start and this so Audrey boss, and me boss Audrey. And me say,
man, we see up on TikTok, man.
Around things that's all.
Real man.
You see them businessman, one businessman call me and when me go there. The two security say, are you name so come in? I saw me going in, me sit down on the chair, me sit down on the index. I said, he said, me glad when me hear say you coming. No, say I start now.
What?
I tell you, me start what the people them yard. You want start work what the people them yard. I'm so we are not the best. I saw. And the people them say, Jesus Christ, be glad. And me say, you have to come out, you know. And they say, no must. I mean, right now when me come up at 75 call, doctor call me, police call me, teacher call me. I say, why do you come?
You have a vibes in that party, true.
A long time, Christian, I want somebody to energize them in a G Keeper.
That's true, man.
Real man. You want to make your place nice, brother, me not lie. You see up on TikTok, man.
Yeah, come on, you never for home wood.
No, me never there home with the me get this music them organized together.
What? When me come the Audrey say, Andrew, she run TikTok. Andrew say, come here, go tell them for YouTube. Say, you name G Keeper, you run TikTok. He said, go talking at the mic.
Right now, to talk about YouTube, me right now, me say them say, oh, they not ask me about YouTube. I just TikTok alone. They ask me about something. I go in, I go over YouTube, go to YouTube like running time because they might call YouTube. People love the song, brother.
Yeah, man, the song bad. When we see it here, me laugh.
You do over mix.
No Timmy come out this we say no Timmy shower bars this me run go show roll.
No people never know. Kenisha they know that Kenisha say Alicia tell him. So no, Kelly says she posts you up and say, yo, that song is bad. Me don't know who
This song bad, man. When this is big it up, man, on me bed, me jump up and start dance.
So me see you do like you do over one exam.
Yeah, me just do it. I just do it. I suddenly me just do it.
You got a studio?
You know, because you want the people want to remix and I just do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a live remix, man. Live.
Hey, we just come on the live still.
Yes, you know, so the next time you hear it.
Then it's live remix that we live a while ago. It's a live remix.
Yeah. Remember Sonny Boston? Sonny Boston,
Me did that.
So let's go down with
them together one time.
Because
some more leaks I will tell you.
You see, every minute the man call for him, I go put him so they go fix him up. They say right now the people them afraid of the double shower. You know, as we Kuroma say, cause you are selected for real. You see the part of me calling the era them name we are load, and that a kill them too, you know. That a beat them wicked, and the people them love that part there. When
yeah,
they hear the
we select a boy when name if fat select a boy from Spal, no name again.
Oh.
I think he play for Barrington Levy, Rose.
That's a fat one there. Me know my man the chiller them also.
Chiller man. I think he might play for Rose FM too. A boy there. I think he might play. I think
You know who that talk.
Yeah. But last night, me taking me saw a video where he post. Me see post 2 video. When they are playing Sparling. Better? Man then go PMP and Labour segment in a party. I be that them do right now Sparling. My youth, about 2 video man post, brother. You know want to see Sparling. Me can't believe they are Sparling that.
Yo, that day, me here, you know, you just falling, both turn out green, you know.
I selected them and do it now.
You can't believe, bro.
And I'm play Labour right last. I supposed to Labour right thing. Turn up at the hands of the Labour right song them last.
Brother, the man then go some boom and play the PMP song, you know. I see some people they are jump up. I said, no, this is what I want. So the man goes some boom and go play the Labour right song. Brother.
Hey, Guinness, I see some yesterday I have one party at Black River Spring Ground. And me here say, when they did it, they were right, them cooling and no say nothing and them a play the PMP song. And the 2 little PMP start to say power. You see when they put on the Labour right, they say man was say so Labour right there Spring Ground. You know somebody saw PMP.
I remember see when it's a PMP here.
Yeah.
They say turn up when you hear when you see Labour right. All PMP start bro. What?
The party nice now, brother.
Again.
I that the party them I do know, brother. I that the slip to them I do a party now, brother. I hit them and use and get them.
From early the year, man. From late last year, early this year, man. From late last year, man.
I'm having message. I'm having.
Then the Labour song them that more vice bridge and better song them, brother.
Me
that man the Labour song. Me that man the Labour song. Me that put a PMP song there by it. Me no want a PMP. Me not gonna do that. Me pay the Labour song alone. Me no want a PMP song there by it.
Yeah.
You know what? Not to PMP on my laptop. What's the matter? Yeah, the go that straight.
Don't make your laptop catch a fire.
You know what? The PMP song on my laptop. What's the mud? No, why the selector them do is still get an iPod tied to, you know, so you know good for them still.
I don't really have no.
Me personal as a selector. Me don't want a PMP song on my laptop.
Yeah, man.
But I don't find them that's like what those
That's how serious. That's how serious
we are
That's how
marching.
serious me is as a labor right. As a selector, me don't want nothing to be on my laptop.
March, we are march.
March, we are march. Both march, we are march.
You know me want though? If me I play that, me want to clash with that PNP selector. Even play the P and me play the labor right one them. So
Yeah. Yeah. Them the time in the wicked. Them the time in the wicked.
Yo, they say no one little lady
yes, me play the
89. I want to lady at 89 and the woman must I must funeral in my go on church and the panny bicycle.
On that day.
And then say Andrew, the woman, me not have Andrew go up on the bicycle, the woman must tell Andrew to come back. Was to see my Andrew ride. 89.
You man, see, they put up on the page.
Oh, you mean the video? Keeper. You mean the video with the old lady ride the bicycle?
Yes.
We repost it to yeah, the 89, the 80-year-old lady though. 80-year-old lady there, yeah. And she said, mash them up, man, mash them up. And then the Prime Minister. Yeah, man, she said, the Prime Minister, mash them up. I'll ride up on our bicycle, get nice, man.
I'm gone.
Yeah.
True, man. All our young brother. All our young love Andrew. All our young.
Yeah, man. That video is nice though. That old lady make me dear.
Our boss if you do one video.
Yeah, they know I'm good enough. Like
man.
Well, I'm sorry, me not did the feel that the video. Me not tell no lie.
I do one video for you, man. It depends on when time I will come down still.
Why? Keep I know that much of the video, I know that dance. I know that much of the video.
It don't really matter when we can do it. It don't really matter. Just want to be sang them go, but we will do the video. So he's either. Oh, somebody said she was going to a funeral. Oh.
We said the cold people them love Andrew, because Andrew clean and nice and they just want the side of him. They want.
Boy, may I tell you, mommy, master Keeper, everybody love for the baby go up to the hole. I'll pick them Jesus peace.
Brother,
little baby them.
You pick them love Andrew?
No. But I serious, listen to me, people. But I serious note. Even me, it happened to you. Sometimes kids, old people, it's a spiritual thing, you know, my brother.
Yeah.
I don't know what normal something, you know. I don't know if it's a normal something, you know. And then see, pick the old people, animal come around you, it's a spiritual thing here. No, natural. God have blessed Andrew. He's chosen by the God Almighty. Me not worship man in the bridge, but just like you there, that bless him. Him there, God know why him there. I'll leave Jamaica right now. Yes.
God give him a plan, man. You know, the Bible said the plan. You know about it, but I would the plan that I have for you, Andrew. The plan. Look at them and Crawford. Look at them and foot in my mouth. Them and go tell them I go make the teacher them work 2 extra hours.
I teacher them go work. I teacher them go
put on 1% tax. The man just a chat all kind of thing.
Henry say.
Well, don't sure say.
Oh, Miss Ivy.
We said all the way for the life there. What are the people? We said this again. Well, I said this again, my people. We said this all the way for the life them. You see me? As much as we are the Labour to beat the PMP them, but no for the thing that happen to the PMP them, I gotta expose them here. That PMP curse.
Remember when I talked about last night? I sent in the lady that I opened the live last night.
Yes, gotta expose them.
I same thing KK when I talk.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Same thing KK talk and see you come back and talk again.
We say it all a while, man. That's what they expose. I don't want them exposed, man. Gotta beat them, man. People are wicked people.
When he said,
curse upon PNP, you know, but even in Jamaica, you know. Jamaican people are Jamaica, you know.
Oh, God, man.
My girlfriend name is Ivy.
I tell you, basically name Ivy.
A true yata come, a true man, a book yata, man.
Yeah, man. As much as the Prime Minister having physical protection with the police and so, God Almighty protect him, my brother. They can't touch him.
Every time you see Andrew, 4 angels around Andrew, the east, the west, the north, and the south.
Man.
The weapon.
Yeah, man. It's a spiritual thing, man. Where's the picnic? Where's the picnic? Animal. You all people, everybody love Andrew is a spiritual something, my brother. Don't take it simple.
And Andrew
God like ugly.
this week the tourists and say we heard about you doing a well good job in Jamaica.
Even that video there, two keeper that repost that video there too. Repost it too. And when I wipe and I say read that. Man, when I wipe and I tell the tourists, I tell them read everything where I do good that's good for Jamaica. When I wipe one tourist, I tell the Prime Minister say he read everything where what the good things about do for Jamaica.
I am gonna tell you say if tourists so what Jamaican people, where them are paying the Jamaican people, where them are paying people, where them are paying people can't say nothing. All tourists.
But do not hear what the Chinaman say when he man over the bus them the other day. Man say him fly over the country and when him see the bus them he get goosebumps. Chinaman say that in a brother.
Yeah, the
Chinaman. The other day when the bus them hand over.
Yeah.
If a Chinaman can say that, brother, warm to the Jamaican people, them, bro.
But
Turn it on almost a night to work, sorry.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
When you look,
yes,
when you look and see still, you know, and see your PMP, they fight against the boss. Be say the one Damian, Satan Campbell, and the one but the other thief down a man South Manchester, Peter Bunting. Like they want to apologize. The people them don't want no apology. The people them say when you call the boss all and analyze the picnic them, which is dirty wrong.
What them ever come out of the mouth?
Keeper, did you see Daryl Valls yesterday in Manchester with the bus them a drive?
He got the Manchester.
He was doing a
Sandra, you know see video, Sandra.
Yeah?
Yeah, in the Sandra, you know see the video when you do attack upon it, Natalie, attack upon it, Peter Bunting, that is like, he said, I run out. And I run out of the ear, I run, guy, hide.
Yeah.
I saw Natalie.
I tell you about the bus and can't go and kind of, and the video I show the bus and go kind of nice and easy. I want to choke past and the bus part the ease.
You did.
Daryl Valls right behind the bus too. Hey, Daryl ramping him, I walk on the man say, him alone can't take the man 1-1-1. You know, the man say, him alone can't take the man. I'm not a player. These are, I love Daryl Valls, man, as a politician. The man rough.
Daryl Valls and Antoine Group, them, I walk a man, them, you know, brother.
DJ Chromas, tomorrow, Daryl Valls, them gospel concert, you know, it too.
Yes.
Tomorrow,
I just Sunday, I don't want to go Sunday.
I don't want to go.
Yeah, man, I don't listen to some streaming tomorrow, you know, because I know, say, a lot of people from that side, they have a get to go out, you know. When I love to go stream it, I make people really so go on.
Tony, if you could have catch like a St. Thomas between, because my sister, them leaving from that side, but if you could have catch that side early, you could have catch a ride from them.
For St. Thomas side?
No, from if you go Growling Grove, because there's a bus with there's some bus from Martin Bay Growling Grove. I go meet them at Hector's River and then them will line up straight down.
I think that people are there for all our bag up. I remember I don't know how much hours driving, you know. I zoom
man.
The pay nice road we have no man. Any other man, we have a nice road. Man. People are going to solid place, man.
I must be on the parlor going about. Alright, I'm telling you something. As me telling you, the link with the drive one time, alright, but you know, we have to put gas in the car and we have to have money open. You see? So we have to, that most time when I go.
That's the way I say, man.
Morning. We have to job money out of our personal things. So that's why we actually support. That's the G. Yeah, man. I want to stream it for the people. I know down there are nice, like a whole body nice.
That's man. If you make a time, I know who can do a thing, just do a thing, you see me?
Yeah, all about the supporters, them who can do it, man, who they don't in a chat, who they want to come over and support the life, man. Because tomorrow, we really want to be at the spot for bring on our life feed. I want to know my thing different. More me I go from early. Walk out the place.
Sonny, Dan, we rate you, you have put in the work in your youth. It's a say. Everywhere put in the work in your youth.
Where does the man come from? Because about him for the media, man.
Remember saying that remember saying that the urban center to a show where we are going for early on one at a time too.
In big man, the big fan, the media for real man, people love your brother. They just want to click into your life and know say yesterday life.
Yeah, man.
So they have to put in the work. You know, if you nah, tell like you the man put in the work, my brother.
Real man.
Man, I put in the work, bro. You know, urban center was the man that for me years. I show where I go on.
Yeah, cause you know what Daddy Chromas, you know I'm going to go down there early tomorrow. We want to really more establish the urban center. More make them see, go and break and watch the start. You know what I go?
Yeah, so I know East Portland
early
urban center is, you know.
Oh, over which side? Over Darrell side.
The gospel concert that keep at Darrell side.
Oh. And that's why one of the main thing I did want to go down there, but other things I did me can do, but that I did want to get to one angle.
You can't go look for this one. Where Mark Golden want to go do something there.
Oh, Adessa?
Yeah, West Portland.
So now I go down there, man. I go Portland, man. That's why
but that's like the swamp there.
Yeah.
So they don't have to video swamp the mother for go.
Yeah.
People in the town.
So they are going to get that barrack.
I don't know. You know, never find this one. I mean, I make you see my goal in Austin plan tomorrow. For sure. I'm going up there.
Housekeeping Sunny speaking.
Yeah, but that's all
I reached down the sun in that
yeah, but she's cleaning it.
All I live them go around and go surround you, man. I love your dongness up to one. Everybody all the right know about you. All the stuff I get you down there if you go down there.
Yeah. Everybody's supposed to know you.
You go and reach. And the labor them know say that. Okay, man. So the people know, you know, son. Yo, you're a big star, son, you know.
Yeah, man, people.
They're only for people who want to see women.
The liberal black in the world in the youth.
But they want to create
the normal youth. So the people know that
I'm telling you what the greatest thing in the DJ crew, man. Listen to me.
Yeah, but the face, man. They want to that life face, man.
Big up.
Video. People are going to keep there.
What's going on dead now, you know?
Chromas, big up, long time.
Morning, Mr. Oxford.
Morning, Sonny. How you doing, baby? You alright?
Yeah, man, I go on the work, yeah, man.
So, Chromas not answer me. Chromas text me.
I'm next. One rocks stole my next wife.
Yes, man.
Wagwan, Rockstone.
Are you missing me? Come up, come heal you up, you know. Me there, man.
Long time, man. Yeah, G keeper the one place. A long time.
Yeah, G keeper can't.
Yeah, G keeper the book of one place, you know, man.
Yeah, man. Me and G keeper did it for Sunday, man. Me come up. Me and G keeper was on Sunday. Me come up to one boy, man, but in the gun. Always come up about Thiago. One boy will always come up about Thiago.
Okay.
Me come up fee, man, but in the gun.
The one named Derek.
Oh. Yeah, man. Me come up fee, man, because me don't tear him up.
Some people
a long time.
Yeah, some people of the party.
Yeah, man, I'm
Chromas, you know, hear me? Chromas not hear me.
Like your internet now good. I'm telling you different still. I know what I'm really
yeah, what I was saying, Chromas, me get the upper break, Chromas. Come in like where they go up and where the PMP them flood up when we should have campaign and now them I bring up PMP and me care, you know, something I give them.
So go man, but they better take over the app, man. If you want me to agree,
we know, Max, we know yesterday, we know yesterday now. No, you are real. Rockstone labor right to the man. No, you stay in the man. You don't play the man.
Hey, look here. let me tell you something. You see, Roxton, tolerate check with, And let me tell you something. Me and share the same thing. One PMP come and kiss you, they can't stay. Me a PMP, me a work for PMP. What a drunk club, me say. Last night, what I mean, talk about me when we had that drunk club, me. And me, my talking to Kemar.
But yeah, watch look how that time, Mr. Look here. Well, Mr. Look here,
me see that comment with you. I say, what that idiot you talk about? You know, only a G-keeper. You know, only a G-keeper.
Roxton, I did the toughest stone bowl, yeah. The big and tough. Me not say Rusty and one man.
Real. You are looking politics now? A long time when you looking politics now? Me until politics long time, brother.
From before me birth, me a labor writing.
Yeah. Chill out. You're looking politics, brother, and I'm putting party. I'm putting party. So when she come down, she make viral videos. She come down, she dey on media, go leap a dance now. One labor suit to him because thing. So watch it. Right now, because I'm supposed to have a video, I'm going to send the video and post it.
Oh. You know, see Dayton Campbell the other night up on the stage. I talk about the food thing, and the man that the crowd that shun him off, and the man tell the man say yatch. Like the man I say he might talk pure rubbish. Did you see Comas?
May I tell us, yo?
They made a show it last night.
Yeah, because Miss Sandra, may I say something? A lot of people are really listen to them, and I remember I must say them are gonna put on tax on the agriculture product them. Them are gonna put on 1% on GCT. And people stand up in the crowd who now just blow. Them are listen what them are saying and say madness them people are saying.
Yeah, but Sonny, he might talk about Bulla and Bun. Which year Bulla and Bun cut out from school? Which year?
And I need Bruce Gold in time.
No, we have Bulla and Mill cut out from in the 90s, isn't it?
Bulla and Mill 90s. In the 90s when we go to school, we did still have it.
Yeah, but he might talk about say no more Bulla and Bun. We all give them
Bruce Gold come cut out that man. Bruce Gold come cut it out. Cause we are the last set of youth. And 90s me go to school in. And when me I go to school in the 90s, it did still did it. You see me? 90s me go primary in.
He must say the farmer them are going to do callaloo and potato to give the kids them to eat. So me I wonder the kids them get good food at school now. So when I come with like every picnic at school hungry.
You know what to say? You know, so they now I may tell some boy, I know. They might talk about cutting a ribbon and my friend, me see them give a house. So them give a house.
You don't see both so them that give away.
I mean, if I know.
A board house, I give one a cut ribbon off a board house. Nothing can go like that. What can go so?
And then look something, then just they must fight again sitting and then go back right night.
Let me say. Listen, son, say. All right, the house now might look say compared to the Prime Minister house, it's not gonna look. But they could look a bit on that, brother. And the house, the door, I'm not the door. The door if I watch church.
Give me a church vibes.
All church. Then put on the house.
The door give me one old church vibes, brother. The old time church day. You don't look at the door there.
The door and the house door that a church door. And the step part you step up to the house, and step up the doorway there. It have to step up a good distance. With that old man there.
Better than give them one night. One of them nice
old man no, never give them. Old man go step up, go to the house.
Thomas.
I see that system at the house. I'm not the house. You know, and step there to go up to the house with the door.
Chromas.
Yeah.
Chromas. Now ask me if it's a church or is a house that look like a church to me. You said that look like a church to me.
It's a house, they might give one a country one. A house that?
I don't like that. I don't love that. That look too old. That look too old-fashioned.
I'm more
I repair the house.
I pit tile it that the house there, you know.
I don't hear what you say, family.
It's
I
a
see him
white
with-
house style.
I see him where Sonny Dan.
Why
Yes,
that talk,
Super Dan.
man?
Respect
I
that.
see him with Patmore. I go around. After him stop the house, them after him tell them chill on the people them no want none of the food for the poor house them. Him going to the area and ask the people them for vote for him. Right? The people them say them no want him. I tell the people them say him have a program, a art trust program, where them for vote for him and then him pay them.
But Lord God.
So you see him desperate so much that him a go around. Remember I know him stop the house, them help stop the house, the people them from get house. Cause I said too much young people are get house. And yet him go back in the area and beg them for vote for him.
Me there start telling you, say, you see, certain people now going to parliament, brother. Certain people not fit for politics, brother.
Remember you talked about it last night?
Yeah, certain people not fit for politics. Me I tell you, some people definitely now going to the house of parliament, brother.
So you don't see the video with the girl. You don't see the video with the girl.
What more now go and win now go?
Yeah, but you don't see the video with the girl, Angela Brownberg, with them a show how she live and how she have to parachute across the bridge and all of these things. And she say, them ask her say if she go vote. She said she not vote for none of them. But because me know so she can't say she can't vote for JLP, she have to say she not vote for none of them.
Mm-hmm.
If you see
them gully there. A gully where me used to slide in when me a boy from up at the bridge go right down, you know. Yeah. Back to gully, you know. Right? We used to slide from around at Dupan primary, come right down in the gully there. As a little boy. You understand?
Majestic God name that show last night.
I live to see how them do the PMP, them mash up the place. And the place look lapidated.
The market no good again, you know, Papa.
Then look how long the market locked down, Tavares market. Look how long that locked down.
Yeah.
Long time a bully per years, donkey years that locked down in G-Keeper. Them now do nothing to uplift the people, them, you know, because you want now. You see if them uplift the people, them now gonna make no money, you know. So when them keep them down, that is how they make for them money.
They stagnate.
Yeah, but what they want to say, when they show the video, they must say, why the Prime Minister not send somebody around if you go help them? So people they must say, no,
Prime Minister for send
the money where Angela
Remember, you know, Portia Simpson was a former Prime Minister, you know. And before she became Prime Minister, she was there she won her first local government election 1976. Right? 76, she win her first local government election. Out down there, so. You get to me, I say, so when me want to know, then she becomes a member of parliament, right? And travel the whole of that division and see what happened to it. When me I grew up out of them place that was raised in middle class area, right? And now them turn it in a slum because that's why them say them love the poor. You understand?
Mm. No, but
them no want no better for the people them down there.
No, but Super Dan, the people them tell him say, if is the parish council response to these gullies and these things, and it's KSS whatever response to these things, but them must say the Prime Minister and him around the country.
No, I can't say a parish council responsible for do all of them cleaning a gully and all of them things.
The Prime Minister and Jones have to send somebody around there for the people them live. One job busy with that.
Andrew no send nobody go down there no way. They stand down in them dirtiness, man. Andrew no send no one go down there because of them help make the place stay so.
Run over upon them are turning at them shit.
Right, them vote for. Them vote for make them stay in it.
Also for a man, I keep saying this. I know that all of these PMP, MPs and councillors and caretakers, them, I tell you, them have a script of work with better. Them go around and tell the people them the setting. Them now get the money from the government. Andrew Holness now give them the money. Andrew Holness now this and now that. And I rob the people and the taxpayers money post.
All right, so
the taxpayers money appear them.
Sonny, this is the video. This is the video with the Mama Kenza up the PMP lady and tell her the same thing.
No, sir.
And the one on a Mark Golding constituency we call Cliff Hughes.
Then get money because the people themselves, the MP or give them money, the local government or whatever. This, I am Mackenzie up the lady and I tell the lady this, I tell the this money. You never saw it there.
Yeah.
Because what them do now, what them do, chromas, what them do, them plant it in the people them head. Them plant it in the people them head. We say them now get no money from the government. In which way they get money to deal with everything in a them constituency.
Anyway, people got Joe Motley here.
Yeah, man. So cool. We link up, man. Yeah, man. Next time we link up.
You go on
clear. All right.
Yeah, man.
Right, as I was saying, my daughter growing up out of those places back in the days when them time there, you have back to fishing village and all them things because that gully lead out in a back to down there. So, as since Matalan dredge and build up causeway, the fishing village down that side it dump up, and I saw them did move go to causeway. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And set up the fishing village for causeway, right? But as me I say, the people them back in the days them did have some brigadistas where used to control them area there and them dead out and for them picnic take over now. So they are the one where control the place them and don't want the people them to vote the way them want to vote. You understand? So them would have prefer to know so they would have prefer to know that the place in a slum, right? Than to make the area develop because most of those houses back in the days of Tapian Avenue built up from in a Daddy Tavares time.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Away from Delacree out of Delacree, that's where them do Delacree and them did start one next house cross and it never finish. I think I remember if I see I got to start them look upstairs house there and them never finish it. And the people them capture it and build it up and live in it and through that they no sewage main in them place there.
But remember say say White Wing in Portugal they start build up about 2 miles and move the people. Me see all 3 living there and pay no rent. The 3 them in there and I yes I forgot they go cities a disgrace. And
but at time gatekeeper at time now for the people them looking at themselves and say well then boy PMP is not for them from both island and the whole of them place to go back down in a Greenwich farm. Well, you know, Greenwich Farm now kind of it is a mix up with the Labour right and PMP. You get what I say? Right, but what I'm saying, the vast majority of the constituency go back over away. I remember if Rosetown gone over, Rosetown a Labour still, but I think the division did kind of the change up, and they were in a Mark Golding side.
Then the road was down the change, brother Rustin. I seen
no, me not talk change from.
Oh, they take it that the part of the kind of push.
Right, because Rosetown was a part of the Kingston 13 area, right? Voting area, and then them did do some splitting up with it and put it over to Omar Davis them side. You understand? But Rosetown never changed yet.
But even the girl, what was doing the video, Rona Burnberg place. She said she have a piece of land and a space where she had tried buy one steel. So me I said to myself, say every MP supposed to recommend somebody to get 5 house. So me I said why Angela couldn't recommend even 5 in run at your own Majestic Garden here, that's them could have get it instead of them a struggle.
She's not gonna do it. She's not gonna do it that because she want the government to look bad. She's not gonna do it. You understand?
In the lady we call Cliff Hughes the other day, we say she have to go 3 hours to do her thing and
her sister. She said she go up her sister out.
And Desmond Mackenzie go around there and him try to help and people pick up money and so Cliff Hughes call up Mark Golding the other day. I said Mark Golding, come, this is your area. Come, the woman need help.
You see the problem is, data. You see most of those man where you see so them are the done in them here like all George Pang them and all them man. The George Pang them not them man they have their house out of the area, you know. Them go crown down there, you know, but at night time they not sleep down there.
Them no live there. Them would did it.
You understand? So, but them no want no betterment for the rest of people. Them enough to come out because them a get for them money. So if everybody highlight themselves, them now gonna make no money. You get to me? I say. Because the whole of them here are the data, the whole of them here are the here. When me grew up as a little youth and know, so the whole of them here there was nice middle class area. Right? The whole of Rosetown, the whole of Greenwich Farm, Maxfield Avenue, Whitfield Town. Right back, the whole of them here are there.
Them to vote them out, and
right?
don't vote them at all.
So even this little youth here, singer youth away used to live up on Maxfield Avenue. They start thing him did live McDonald Lane. That in turn Christian and now Junior Tucker. Right?
Oh.
All of those youth grew up on Maxfield Avenue there.
Yeah, man, because
as little youth.
Junior Tucker did live and his uncle when I'm
I think a McDonald, I think a McDonald Lane him used to live, man.
Then they buy one house.
All this I can talk about big up the PMP. Big up on the PMP on the workless nasty. Black in son big up PMP.
No pay them no my daughter, I cruff them the one where you see no pay them no my man. I cruff them no one.
Andrew in a power for 9 years. So Andrew if you go on a majesty.
But Andrew in a power for 9 years and look what Andrew do. And PMP did in a power for. Them get 18 years straight, you know. 18 years straight, what them doing for them time, what them do there?
18 and a half years plus.
18 and a half years. Right?
Angela Brownberg go clean up in place. Angela, go nobody go clean up around it. Them have Angela is a senator. She have something there. She's had everything around and every Tuesday in a parliament that stand up like she have
Sandra, look for who they want to go to foreign affairs minister. Look at the woman who chop and he teeth them long out come over him out and dirty. When the foreign affairs people them seem they run.
But G Keeper, the 63 MP get the same amount of money like the Labour right them. The 49, the 40 where them have get the same amount of money.
Yeah, they not do nothing in their constituency.
And when them come out and talk about Andrew the Prime Minister, so if they send people around there.
The woman go and go do what he do, when you jolly do. You must make it go here, man.
Remember say in them time, remember say G Keeper, they used to call JLP what government gully god. Because they say only gully Labour right bill. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Right. We are gully god. Gully whatever. Gully government.
You turn him go well in the corner and turn down the lane, man. Low Labour right, love Andrew. Don't call him name in our mouth to no hate him. Love him.
I true that because if them can cuss Andrew only,
so imagine it. Andrew will.
And them can stay with Angela Brown teeth. Anybody we can
leave out of them era them bridging, not tell you how. Sonny Dan.
Yeah, man, me I hear that, you know.
My first vote when me supposed to vote in 1980 election. And during that time the war and the violence we are going down there and they want youth to go up on front page, go fire gun pan Labour right. And as a youth, we always follow politics from me, a little youth I come up and I know so the Labour right side always do the best. Them call me and I tell me say boy bleaching alone can't do if you go up on the road go fire gun. And you know what me do? Me just take with myself, you know, my brother. Because me not tell no lie. If me detect the gun, you know, them same one me go turn it pan, you know. You understand? So you know what me do? Me take with myself from out of the era. That is the only election me never vote. 1980 election. You understand? But the rest of the election them, right? Me make sure because me know say me have ambition, right? And see where did I go on in the ghetto and see say them coming like crab in a barrel business.
Yes, man, that's true.
You me I say? Right? So them don't want nothing good. Them now, you know, most of them down there don't want nothing good, and cause what them do, you know. Most of who live down there, them no own no house down there, no free house. Them run out the people, them and capture the people, them house, you know, my brother.
But remember, say Upper Plain Avenue, I chose a Labour right. They did it. Remember, say all of them the Labour right. They are Spanish town, you know.
But gatekeeper, the headquarters of JLP was at Seaview Avenue in a Greenwich Farm, you know. That's where the headquarters of JLP used to be, you know.
All right.
Yeah,
right? And the WPG them, they are the one where help run out labor right and take over the JLP headquarters at Seaview Avenue, right? And take it over for themselves and start. And so them start have them meeting and them something there. You get what I say?
Them a man you know history.
Right? So as a youth, you grow up all about out of them place there. The whole of them place them in Rome as a little youth, so me know the inner out of the place them.
Hey, super.
You understand?
So NTV bank did there, I write up here and you know.
Yeah, man, turn it in a funeral home now. A funeral home, them turn it in a.
You know the owner of the funeral home. You know the owner.
You get what I say?
Good friend.
So that's why I try to show you, say, them no want nothing good, you know. Remember, say, you did have KIW, Let me tell you something.
Across the road.
Listen to me, man. Listen to me. You used to have Butter Shoes Factory out between Kidley and there, so. On Panishtown Road.
Make soda.
Right? They used to make the best shoes them Butter used to make them. You understand? There are so much things used to happen out there. So you used to have the juice what they call tanners. That place before tanners buy it out. Right? Singer used to be out there.
I see
right?
it. You used to have CD bed company in it.
See, yeah, there's so much things as I used to out of those places because the whole and the same Daryl Vaz father used to have a brazier factory down the so too. Right?
Yes, what Colgate. Remember, say Colgate used to the right down
Colgate used to the run a Ashenine Road there.
But I'm want something there. I'll jump up, Bob. So, but that's something there. I'm just come up back now, back. I'm jump out, but just come up and say something. 2 miles. Go back down to Pienland and the whole of them place there. Right out there, so go back to Walton Park Road there, so. Spanish store meet up back to Walton Park Road there, so. The whole of that part there, so. A 2 mile come straight back to Pienland. Was labor constituency. It's Porsche, Tony Spalding and Dolly Thompson, whatever run out the labor right there. My grandfather used to have a shop out at 2 mile, a tailor shop. Said a bar. Our man is to run the bar near Doggy bar. Right cross road, that father good shop. So me saw this one, a little boy. Oh, that's why I can't tell you this one, a little boy.
I true you are comas cause one of them places. Me know all the tailor, you know.
China there? No, that it was right at Doggy bar, right between Doggy bar and a man of our son, a man of our racehorse place in the prof. Used to have a sound system. You know that man, a racehorse place. You know a sound system when you I have one name there, Doggy bar, my grandfather shop used to in at the middle. A merchant there, used to broke my grandfather shop was a regular. I was a merchant till I used to store material. Pants material for make suit and pants and all them merchant.
Chromas,
me can tell you this. As a little youth, my grandfather grew me. He was a China, was my grandfather. You see me? That man, when I look at you.
Remember, you know, you used to have our West Best. You used to have our West Best.
And the first, this is a flatbed shop. Yeah, we just finish. Let me just finish the camera. I'm going to jump out. I love me can just continue. What may I say? Don't go tell them something when me see my personal. When the PMP them I run out the labor right them out that 2 miles and all of this stuff. That this was the original labor right constituency. You see me? Badness and wickedness and burn out people. PMP don't matter. So me see my personal eye. And the first me say flatbed truck with house spanning to people have to move out as a youth. That's what me say. Or that 2 miles so. Because right now, that's what I talk about. You have people just sell out this like a market. And you walk, go up more, the butter store, walk up to Walton Park Road. So.
Yeah, man, there's a market. This is the right between butter them, they say, no, my youth. Right,
yes, right. All that's what I tell about. Cross road, father go in the shop. All this is my grandfather. All this is my little youth, my grandfather. Him have the tailor shop, Doggy bar, and the man named Prof. You have the racehorse place and the sound system. You must know what I talk about.
And you can't walk back, you can't walk road there, so you can't walk back, where you can't go back down in a glass factory.
Yes. So me do them place was original labor right place.
Original.
That's why
listen to me, man. It was an original labor right era, man. A Porsche them come. come
Yes.
mess up things, my brother.
Donald Thompson, Tony Spalding, badness them use. It's the push out easy woman, a badness them
24
use.
hours and
burn out
people have to move out.
and
All who
control
used
the
to, most people used to move go to Portmore. We used to
Yes.
run, we go to Portmore and Nagus there and all them place there. We move, we run, we go out Spanish
Town.
Right?
Clarendon.
Anyway, they can't get place to move, go them have to move, go my youth, because through that, you know, I so come make
the G-keeper tell them, people there are Clarendon. All our Spanish Town move. So far as I never read but this is from. As far as I know them move them from Ula and them say.
But Chrome has been a sorry for people them down there, I'll be honest to you, know.
We have experience at this. Yeah, tell people.
Because of the life where them want to live in the virgin, and the freeness mentality of them.
Man come from. Don't think eh?
And the life where them want to live in, I'm sorry for them, you know, because of the freeness mentality.
I think it's good enough.
So my time, brother. No, so some of my time, I'll tell you something. You know, so yesterday, one year, I'm
Good, I say.
Well, I you know. Yeah, bring it up to man. Yeah, bring it up to man. Alright, I'm telling you something. You know, so sometimes I play with people, but I tell you sometime one go on. Yesterday, I met on arrival with a lady, and the lady I said, it's not like she wouldn't want to talk about what going on in the boat. And I like the people you know and change it, but brother, judge. People them under some dictation, yeah. Terrible. You have people who want to change it, but all them are going to do it. I'm afraid that their life is a life and the situation, bad bro. I'm not telling you, like, people really want to change this now.
Sonny, you see the people them who want the changes, them move from out of the area. I tell you that. Right? But you see the one them who don't want the changes, them not gonna move, them are gonna stay there and hold the vote for vote the way how them want to vote.
Sure, that's the
Me live in the area, brother. I grew up in the area. I tell you, man, if you want good, you have to move out of this. So. You understand? You can't stick if you're going to stand up to fight them, they will kill you. You understand? Because how them team up against them one another, team, let me tell you, a massive them fighting, I know, my brethren. Them now attack you one away, you know. Enough of them are come down upon you. As a PMP behave.
Super. You remember in the 70s and they was a say we don't want that kind of Babylon. We have to move out to Babylon. Remember that Sunday?
Yeah.
When the people them are run out of Babylon, time when you live for PMP, they are Babylonian and live where PMP live. We don't love them kind of wickedness. You remember that song there?
Yeah, man.
You not even remember who singing.
But you know, them have to know, my brethren, because them want to continue. I vote for people who make them live like in a slum. Well, it left to them. You understand? But if you want good, you know have to run. You understand? So what them supposed to do is rise up and know so them boy them go vote out the woman and get somebody who will stand up for them. That is the only way. Right?
True, man. Why me I tell you?
And gatekeeper. You see the people them who let me tell you see the people them who
living at the purple
and paint them up and make the place look good. With that bad not too bad, but them now do nothing to it, so they stay there and run down.
Deteriorate. A true man, a truth. Because all them the time that you know the 70s there, 74, 70, 75. We got Delhi Creelian, 14 Delhi Creelian, And they tell you one Rasta man did this there. And the man, the original man did a fantastic. I missed the man, they about 6 boy picking. And when the Reynolds go tell the people that Jamaica them say they fi buy rope and go give them the Reynolds cow them. And when the people them buy out the whole of the cow in the hardware.